The lifeblood of every local business is dependent on getting paying clients. To generate more leads, you throw a lot of money into online ads, print ads, social media, radio, billboards, and other outlets. So many options that it's overwhelming. You know that you offer such great services or products, yet you wonder, why won't customers call me? As a small business owner for 30 years, SavvyMarketing-ca understands the frustration of spending time and money on marketing tactics that just don't work. It's not your fault that your marketing efforts are failing to produce results. The solution is you really need an affordable marketing system that works for you. Here are our 7 essential elements we use to grow your business. Keep watching. Step number 1, define your ideal client and differentiate your brand. We'll help you define an ideal audience and discover what turns them into profitable customers. We leverage demographics, characteristics, reviews, and other metrics to create a core message that targets your ideal customer's problems and needs for a solution. Together, we'll help you find a way to stand out in the mind of your ideal customers, something that differentiates your business from every other business that seems to provide the same products and services as you. Step number 2, build or update a website that makes you money. Most websites don't actually work because they don't convert most of the leads you paid for. Your website is your most important lead generating asset. It works 24/7, even while you sleep. Your site must have a clear story that identifies their problem, shows them how to solve it, and gives them a clear path on how to get your solution. We build websites that use proven conversion tactics that turn prospects into paying clients, making your marketing dollars perform. Number 3, effective SEO strategies. If you're not showing up on the maps and organic listings, you are at a huge disadvantage. We'll create and implement an SEO strategy that will provide you with a long-term and sustainable source of new prospects. Number 4, get customers talking. Your business can lose up to 79% of local search engine traffic due to a low amount of positive reviews. Most prospects won't even contact a company with a rating lower than 4 stars or reviews older than 1 month. We'll build you a review generating system that encourages your clients to leave positive reviews by making it quick and easy. Number 5, build awareness and trust. Social media platforms offer many new ways to create awareness for your business. Millions turn to social media sites every day, so tapping this behavior is key. We build and implement a social media plan effectively using Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and others that drive prospects to your sales funnels, bringing you new qualified leads. Number 6, leverage online advertising. Pay-per-click advertising, or paid search as it is called today, offers some tremendous benefits. It's also a place where you can potentially waste a great deal of money. We understand how to implement effective social media and Google Ads campaigns that are aligned with your overall strategy. We'll do it all, from the keyboard research and ad setup to landing page design and managing the campaigns that drive in more qualified leads. Number 7, real-time reporting. No need to hope that your marketing is working. We now know what the exact return on just about any campaign is. The key is to establish a handful of useful metrics and use them to help inform your marketing decisions. We'll build you a custom, easy-to-read dashboard, giving you real-time data that you need to run your company. We'll keep you up to date with what's going on and offer insights on ways to increase your income. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, then call us at 250-516-7678 and schedule a free strategy call.